Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell with your June Cafe card kit featuring Bo Bunny Summer Mood. You can tell it's full of pinks and yellows and it just screams summer. So you're going to be able to make all kinds of everyday cards to brighten someone's day. So let's go through and look at the paper first off. So you're going to get 12 6x6 sheets. This one has some fun brush script writing from pink to kind of an orange to a yellow. Blue with the hearts and dots. Pink with polka dots. And a black with a white scribbly line. Blue with the lemons on top. And then all of the fun colors in this design. Typewriters, and they have little hearts and little scribbles and things on them, on the blue. The popsicle sticks in the blue and the yellow and pink. A yellow design. Fun pinwheels in pink, blue, and yellow. And then this is a fun print. It's black and white, but it's like a lemon slice. So it'd give you a good contrast. And then pink flowers and pink lemons and yellow lemons. For the embellishments, you're going to get the layered chipboards. So you can tell these are like 3 layers. It has glitter on some and your gemstones. As well as a Lawn Fawn stamp set. So it has the lemon, the glass, and the pitcher, along with the phrase, "Make lemonade." And some gemstones. For your card bases, you're going to receive 6 card bases and 6 envelopes, along with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of pink, and a sheet of yellow. So you can use these to layer up behind the pattern paper for your cards, or even cut them and create more card bases. So that's a look at your June card kit from Bo Bunny Summer Mood. Be sure to come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to see what the design team has created with their card kit, as well as your fellow subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, click that coffee cup so you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. And be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.